Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aquarius, of course, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Wow. Okay, 8 of Cups, Ace of Cups, the Sun, the Star, the Chariot, Queen of Wands, the Empress, the Emperor, and the 9 of Pentacles. What reading is this, Aquarius? And here, look at this. I have the Page of Swords as an overall energy. Somebody's got their eye on you big time, Aquarius. Somebody's watching you 24/7. Okay. So, yes, somebody wants to move towards you. They think you are the perfect candidate, or their wish come true, or whatever. They find you really attractive. Before I start kind of talking about the spread, Aquarius, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards and then we'll start clarifying this reading. It's a very interesting reading with the Emperor and Empress sitting right here in front of me. So let's start with some dialogue message cards. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aquarius and their person, thank you. Let's take a few more. And Aquarius, and if you're looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay. And I'll take a couple from here as well. Aquarius and their person. All right, good to go. So the first card here says, Aquarius, I can't believe how much time we wasted on bullshit. Okay. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that. The thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with a karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. Very complicated reading today. It's supposed to be a small little love bite, spirit. Whether we are together or when we are apart, you're always in my thoughts and forever in my heart. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, and my life. I'm stuck in my pride and ego, feeling very frustrated and foolish. I know that my behavior has really disappointed you, but I'm even more annoyed with myself. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you'll understand I need time. I'm overwhelmed with obligation and the situation is messy. So Aquarius, I'm sure you'll understand what these cards mean for your story. If this is your reading, I'm going to now start the reading with an angel blessing card. See what my angels are. How my angels are going to bless this reading and you with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Triumphant. See? What a beautiful card you get. So I don't know, this reading is interesting. It's got beautiful upright cards, lots of major arcana, and let's see what it wants to say. Oops. Sorry. Okay. So Spirit, 8 of Cups is somebody moving away from Could be a court case, could be something legal, somebody is walking away from emotional disappointment towards new love. Maybe there was a fight, or there was some argument, or some injustice, or something happened here, and there's a lot of stress and tension, but somebody is walking away and moving towards finding love. Maybe they were dealing with a trickster in the past, and they've just shut off this chapter with somebody from their past. Somebody who kind of stressed them out, maybe somebody who was, immature or rash or something. Maybe there was a legal case or a divorce, I don't know. Somebody is seen here walking away from where I sit. Okay, and moving towards happiness, self-love, new love, I don't know what. Let's see what this new love is all about. What's this Ace of Cups, Spirit? Yes, coming out of that feeling of always feeling abandoned, always feeling lost, being at crossroads forever, never knowing which direction to go to. I think somebody has not been very happy in the past, and now they want to move towards something which will make them happy. They're praying for something, maybe obsessively. Somebody is obsessively watching somebody here. I don't know who this is. Star card, Spirit. Oh my God. Somebody is healing from a very toxic past, it seems here, Aquarius. Someone who was cold, calculating, selfish, self-centered, obsessive, could have had some bad habits. There was no happiness here, and that kind of overwhelms their partner, and they're moving forward now towards healing themselves, or towards self-love or new love or something like that. So what's this Chariot, Spirit? Yes, a fresh new beginning. Fresh. Not cutting out the old. I want everything new and fresh in my life. Star card, Chariot card, moving towards wish fulfillment with new energies. These are all new energies here. With that Ace of Cups, I'm not surprised. So what's this Chariot once again? Yes, again, the star again. No wonder the triumphant card came out, Aquarius. I don't know who you were dealing with here. If maybe you are thinking of moving away, or you just have moved away, I don't know. Timelines are different for all of you. It's a collective reading. But you're moving towards something fantastic. Your dreams are going to come true, all of them, I can promise you. And here you are, Queen of Wands, looking gorgeous. Yes, this could be after ending some kind of an old connection, which kind of really was emotionally overwhelming. It was not good. Yes, you've picked yourself up. Now you've seen the truth. If Aquarius, this is you, if you are this person who's now kind of taking charge of their own life and moving forward towards their own happiness, leaving behind somebody who was not the best, I would say. Very cold, very calculating, very self-centered, selfish, obsessive, always maybe watching their partner's every move. And this would be a burden. This would be very overwhelming to be in a connection like that. But somebody is now kind of putting that to a rest and moving forward now. So the Empress. Yes, since I think this feminine energy has stopped kind of fighting for that past connection, or fighting with that past person, or kind of ended that past situation, this ending is going to bring about a beautiful new beginning, because I'm seeing the progression. There is the pre-empress here, there's the empress here, there's the Queen of Wands. They're all the same person, and these are the different stages it's taken for this empress to become the empress, by totally transforming their life, by putting something to an end which doesn't belong anymore. So who's this emperor now, Spirit, coming towards this empress? Who's this emperor? Oh, somebody will try, Aquarius. Somebody will try, and somebody you're not talking to. Somebody who's going to try to appear as the emperor. This could be that's the same person who is not very grounded, very money-minded individual. So they may come forward trying to pretend to be the emperor to the empress. But from what I see, I don't see any new beginning being granted to them. I don't think this empress has become too smart now. I don't think this empress is going to fall for these tricks anymore, because I don't see any new beginning. In fact, they'll probably look like a fool if they try and come and woo this empress back, because this empress has found her self-worth. They are in their element now. Successful, single, abundant, taking care of themselves, and very, very intelligent and triumphant in their own life. So Aquarius, this could have either already happened or this has the potential of happening. So if you are trying to get away from an unhealthy attachment, you're going to be victorious. This person can try, but they will fail. Okay? They may try and, pretend to be somebody they're not. But I really don't see you falling for it. You are going to be, first and foremost, into self-love. This big cup of love that you have here is for you. And it's working. You're looking good. You're earning well. Your garden is growing pentacles around you, and people are looking at you and saying, wow, who is this person? Charming person. Seeing this person may return, may try and divert you back to the past, but I don't see it happening. Okay? So, yes, this person somebody is watching you 24/7. Maybe trying to match your energy. But that will be a pretense. And you're going to see right through it. I'm really not worried about this read. Okay? Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Till next time then, love and light. Namaste.